Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Students, today we are going to start our new topic. But students, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे आप अपने सभी टॉपिक्स को इजीली समझ सकते हैं एंड अपने कंसेप्ट्स को क्लियर कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर न्यू टॉपिक. So students, today's topic is place value and face value. Okay students, now we will discuss about what is place value and what is face value. Firstly, we understand what is place value. Place value, students, the place value of any digit is the place where the digit is put into. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मीन्स प्लेस वैल्यू उस डिजिट की वो वैल्यू होती है जिस प्लेस पे वो रखी गई है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल सी बाय द एग्जाम्पल. 7 is at 1's place, 10's place and 100 place. Clear students? Here 7 is at 1's place. That means its value will be 7 because at 1's place we multiply 7 by 1. That means its value will be 7. Clear students? For 8, we check for 8. 8 is at 10's place. Then for 8 we multiply by 10. It means what will be the value of 8? Place value of 8 will be 80. Clear students? Now we check for 5. What is the place value of 5? 5 is at 100 place. It means we multiply the 5 by the 100. Clear students? So place value of 5 will be 500. Clear students? Now we understand the face value. What is face value students? The face value of any digit, it is the digit itself. face value वो होती है जो कि digits खुद में होती है. Clear students? So what is the face value of 7? Face value of 7 will be 7. What is the face value of 8? Face value of 8 will be students 8 because face value of any digit is a digit itself. Clear students? Now we check what is the face value of 5. Face value of 5 will be 5. Clear students? So let's see by the next example. Now students, we have second example and let's see by this example students. Here we have a number 4175. Students, we have to find the place value and face value of this digit. Clear students? So firstly we divide it for 175. Now we check what is the face value of 4 and place value of 4, and for each digit we find what will be the face value of the digit and what will be the place value of the digit. Firstly students, we find what is the face value of 4. Students, हम जानते हैं, we know very well that face value of any digit is the digit itself. face value क्या होती है? खुद होती है वो स्वयं में. That means 4 की face value क्या होगी? 4 ही होगी. Clear students? Now by the next example we see what will be the face value of 1. Students, face value of 1 will be the 1. Clear students? Now face value of 7, what will be? Itself 7. Clear students? What will be the face value of 5? Face value of 5 will be itself, that means 5. Clear students? Now what will be the place value of 4? Students, you can see that here ones is at which place? Which check ones, tens, 100, 1000. That means 4 is at 1000 place here. It means place value of 4 will be 4000. Clear students? Now we check what will be the place value of 1. 1 is at 100 place students. It means what will be the place value of 1? 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू होगी स्टूडेंट्स 100. Clear students? Now we check for 7. What will be the place value of 7? 7 is at 10th place. It means the place value of 7 will be 70. And 5 is at one place. It means the place value of 5 will be 5. Clear students? Now you can check the difference between place value and face value. Here students, you can see that both digit are same but फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यूज आर डिफरेंस. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, हेयर दोनों वैल्यू हमारे डिफरेंट है. क्या किससे डिफरेंस है? फेस वैल्यू खुद में होती है वो डिजिट, और प्लेस वैल्यू हमेशा जिस प्लेस पे वो पुट की गई हो. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन सी बाय द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल आल्सो. So students, let's see by the next example. Students, by this example we have to find the face value and place value of the 7. We have 4 digits students, and in each digit we have to find the face value and place value of 7. Students, highlighted है, आप देख सकते हैं. And then now students, you will tell me what will be the face value and place value of 7. In this digit, face value will be of 7. What will be students? I also told that face value is the digit itself. That means 7 की face value students क्या होगी? 7 ही होगी. But students, place value क्या होगी? Place value will be, you see, by the places ones and tens. It means 7 is here at tens place. That means place value of 7 will be 70. Clear students? Now by the next digit you see ones, tens and 100. That means 7 is at 100 place. So students, firstly what will be the face value of 7? Face value of 7 will be 7. But students, place value will be 700 because 7 is at 100 place. Clear students? Now for this 1000 and for this 10,000 students. Clear? Here what will be the face value of 7? Face value of 7 will be 7. Clear students? But face value will be 7,000 because 7 is at 7,000 place. Now what will be the place value? 7,000. Clear student? Now here in this digit what will be the face value of 7? Face value of the 7. ठीक है students? Now place value of 7 will be 70,000 because 7 is at 10,000 place. That means place value will be 70,000. Clear students? Here you can see students, in these digit face value of 7 is the same but place value of the 7 is different. It means face value हर डिजिट की सेम होती है, इटसेल्फ होती है, खुद में होती है फेस वैल्यू, बट प्लेस वैल्यू चेंज होती है. जिस भी प्लेस पे वो डिजिट पुट की गई हो वो ही उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू होती है स्टूडेंट्स. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपके इस एक्सरसाइज के बाद, इसके बाद, इन एग्जाम्पल्स के बाद एक वर्कशीट ऐड कर रही हूँ. आप उसकी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा स्टूडेंट्स, और उन सभी जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, क्वेश्चंस हैं, उनको आप सॉल्व करेंगे. और सॉल्व करने के बाद उस शीट को आप मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके सेंड करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, उन सभी आंसर को. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? इस वीडियो को आप अच्छे से देख लीजिए, इस टॉपिक को अच्छे से समझ लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स. और इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स वेरी वेरी थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. And now students, I attach a worksheet here and you will solve them and then give me the reply on worksheet pic on my comment box after solving the questions. Okay students? Then take the screenshot of this worksheet and solve these questions. And now students, for watching my videos, thank you students. I hope आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ आया होगा. Okay students? Now thank you very very much.